Looking for the best camera phone for photography but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best camera phone for photography based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Evershop 619DE Upgrade Ring Light Overhead Camera Phone Mount. What sets this product apart from others in the same category is its ultra-flexible arm and 30-inch extension, making it perfect for tight workspaces where other lights just won't fit. The 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels give you a whopping 30 options to match any setting, from warm and natural to cool and bright. It's ideal for video recording, photography, live streams, and content creation, especially if you're filming a cooking tutorial or product showcase where you need vibrant, true-to-life color. A high CRI ensures skin tones look great, and the stable and compact clamp design keeps the light steady, even during long shoots. It's also incredibly easy to set up, with a sturdy desk clamp that fits surfaces up to 2.4 inches thick. I'd say this is a must-have for anyone creating content on a regular basis, especially if you value a professional-looking finish in your videos and photos. Number 4. TELESIN Magnetic Phone Camera Grip and C03 Magnetic Selfie Light Creator Kit Fun Shot Selfie Grip Handle Bundle Kit Compatible. This creator kit has a game-changing feature, a wireless shutter button that lets you take hands-free photos from a distance. It's perfect for content creators who want to up their selfie game and capture high-quality moments without distractions. The magnetic selfie light is a close second, offering 360 degrees rotatable adjustment and a built-in mirror for flawless posing. I'd say this kit is a must-have for busy creators who need a compact and portable solution that's easy to use and set up. With its wide compatibility and flexible use, it's ideal for anyone looking to level up their content creation. Number 3. Crxythmenon HJD 054K Vlogging Camera. If you're anything like me, you hate lugging around bulky camera gear, but still want to capture high-quality footage on the go. This camera is my go-to for spontaneous vlogging, and it's been a total game-changer for capturing life's unexpected moments. From hiking trips to city street adventures, it's always ready to roll. The 4K resolution and 75 megapixel photos are seriously impressive, and the smart selfie feature with 330 degrees auto face tracking keeps me sharp and in focus, even in the most chaotic scenes. Plus, with instant Wi-Fi pairing, I can share my footage directly to social media without breaking a sweat, making it perfect for creators who crave flexibility and versatility in their content camera. Number 2. Frenitt DC13 4K Digital Camera. Tired of blurry smartphone photos or missing important moments? This camera solves that problem with its 4K resolution at 30 fps and 56 MP photos that capture natural detail. Fast autofocus keeps subjects crisp, and a half press of the shutter locks focus for stunning shots. It's perfect for beginners and content creators who want excellent image quality and easy operation. A 180-degree flip screen makes selfies a breeze, and 16x digital zoom brings distant scenery into focus. The built-in fill light handles low-light situations beautifully. A 360-degree dial lets you quickly switch between creative modes, and fast USB data transfer makes it easy to share your content. This camera is ideal for anyone who wants to create high-quality photos and videos without complicated settings or menus. It's perfect for everyday recording, vlogging, and even as a webcam for live streaming. Number 1. TESFOT DC101 2026 Upgraded 4K Digital Camera 64MP Wi-Fi 180 degrees Flip Screen Autofocus. Are you looking for a camera that's both easy to use and delivers professional-grade results? This 4K digital camera has got it all. It captures sharp Ultra HD footage and detailed 64MP photos, making it perfect for everyday shooting and creative recording. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can remotely control, live preview, and wirelessly transfer files to your smartphone, editing and sharing instantly without the hassle of extra cables. The 180 degrees flip screen is a game-changer for selfies and vlogs, giving you flexible angles for travel videos and social media clips. Plus, the beginner-friendly autofocus and intuitive button layout make it a great choice for new users, and its compact design makes it easy to take on the go. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.